Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to export transactions from Commonwealth Bank. This is a great way to keep track of your finances and to see where your money is going. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and manage money. It's a skill that everyone should have, regardless of their age or income level. There are a number of resources available to help you learn more about financial literacy. You can find books, websites, and even classes on the topic. I encourage you to take the time to learn more about this important topic. Now, let's get back to the task at hand. How do you export transactions from Commonwealth Bank? Steps. Log into your Commonwealth Bank account. Click on the Transactions tab. Select the date range that you want to export. Click on the Export button. Choose the format that you want to export your transactions to. Click on the Save button. Your transactions will be saved in the format that you selected. You can then use the file to import your transactions into a spreadsheet or other financial software. Additional tips. You can export transactions for a specific account or for all of your accounts. You can export transactions for a specific category, such as food or rent. You can export transactions for a specific date range, such as last month or this year. You can export transactions in a variety of formats, including CSV, Excel, and PDF. Once you have exported your transactions, you can use them to create a budget, track your expenses, and more. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and tricks. I encourage you to share this video with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.